Wow, wow, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Felix. I just quickly want to announce to many of us, if you were in our ecosystem about that 7 years ago, 7 years ago or more than that, where we subscribed to platform referred to as Daisy, now that created an ecosystem to call Limitless. Come closer and act now as fast as possible. I'm not coercing you to fund your account immediately. If you don't want to fund your account, nobody is going to challenge you to do that. Now, remember Daisy platform that time. I don't know, maybe their portal is still opening, but it came to become limitless. Okay. There were things that they changed to, yeah, when they went again, connect to your Forex before they change a lot of things and a lot of things start happening well and all that. So at the point, they told us that they were going to change to something more big, and we didn't hear from them. Now, in a nutshell, I want when you finish listening and watch this video, a link is going to be there. You know you are in my ecosystem. If you not know our ecosystem, no problem. But you are in our ecosystem, quickly register your name, your detail now. From what I heard, they're going to be migrating into an ecosystem I'm already running with. Okay. So it will be an edge for you to go ahead and register. If you have not registered on this platform before now, go ahead and register. You can ask how to start making money on it. But my emphasis is that for those of you who are within my ecosystem, I think my ecosystem will be over 2,000 to 5,000 people at that time. Now, I'm posting this now so that you can register and wait. Okay. But so you remember, for me to have access to Endotech that time, I have to join Igenus. Okay. I have to join Igenus, right? I joined Igenus for me to be part of this Endotech. Many of you understand, remember Endotech that time? So for us to be part of Endotech, because Endotech was not meant for retail traders or retail institutions, retail customers or participants. They were mainly for institutional investors. All right. My goodness. My goodness. These guys were doing massive thing. Come on. This is what we call business, right? This is what we call business. Yeah. This is January 2021. February 2021. So look at percentage. Now, see, oh my God, this is 2021 all through to 2022 November, no losing month. Can you see that? My God, sometimes 33%, 20%. Woo, massive. So I have to join Igenus to have access to this. Yes, I have to join Igenus because they are not for small traders or investors. Okay. Current version, we're upgraded to a current version in 2024. But I've been part of this thing. All right. So we understand what investment is all about and how we take advantage of it. Now, we have been winning. Now, this particular month, we lost 9%. All right. So 2022, December, 9%. January, 34%. Can you see that? Oh man. Then this particular month, so you see some money that we lost. Look at this month, 33%. Now, at a point, it was weakened and all of that, like in 2024 and all of that. We got weakened a lot. Now, see, January 2025, we lost, right? In February, we win 62%, guys, in a month, right? The next month, 6% loss, 5%. This is what we call business, right? This is 21%. Look at it. 83%, guys. Crazy, right? Massive. November, October, right? The month of November, December last year, we lost. Crazy. 25%. Now, look at us. In January, we did 31%. Okay? We did 31%. Then so far this month, we have done 10%. Now, I was showing one of my new copy system I just started, and then it's not going to be for everybody. I'm sorry. It's only people who are on PBX Club because I'm working on to be more strategic on it. If you go to um Capital Extend now, you're going to see if you search it, you can't find it. Okay, you can find it. It's for secluded people now. So that means for a month, how many percent? 43%. So this today, one day, 3 point something percent so far, right? If you click here now and check 3 months or 1 month, right? You're going to see by how many percent? Yeah, 1 month. So 1 month, yeah, 1 month, about 44% or thereabout. So if you look at January, I did 24%. I was too busy, but so far this month I've done 16%. Okay. This is not giving out yet. I'm doing experiment on it. And that's why I told you if you are in Plan B Express, I'm reformatting a lot of things. It will surprise you what's coming. Okay? It will surprise you what's coming. Now I'm arriving somewhere. Now, write it down. I say, just quote me, any investment scheme that I invite you to, and your money is not in the bank, number one, your money, okay? Let me just do this. So come closer. I need to share. Everybody need to hear. Everybody need to see it. Okay, let's connect to people on social media so that because I just need you guys to see what's happening. Okay, I will make the announcement again because this is very powerful. This is powerful. Okay, this is powerful. Okay. Uh so what we have in PBS Club now is called 3-in-1 Financial Solution. 3-in-1 Financial Solution. All right. 3-in-1 Financial Solutions. Okay. 3-in-1 Financial Solutions. So what I'm building, what we're building, perhaps, is massive, not business as usual. Now, not business as usual. Permit me to let you know this, that what we're building is not business as usual. So you have to follow and understand why I'm telling you what is now obtainable. Okay? Don't joke, please. Don't joke. It's risky to joke right now. It's very, very risky. So come closer. Now I'll go through those things I want to tell you. By the grace of God, I've been member of this platform. So I just have to let you know. Now, so I said, now let me make the announcement for some of you. You're welcome. And I said, hey, if you are part of our ecosystem in Plan B community, especially you participated on Daisy many years back, either 2021, yeah, 2021 or something, because I've been on Endotech before that period. And I remember for me to join Endotech, I had to, you get me now? I had to go through a platform in America called iGenius. Let me even see my portal if it's still opening. I can't even remember. I had to go through a platform in America called iGenius. iGenius, are they still on that way? I wouldn't know. iGenius. I have to go through a company called iGenius. Wow, amazing. Can I still remember my login detail? Probably let me just try. But what was interesting me there was not the iGenius itself. It was what the vehicle was going to take me to. Wow. Wow. Say Connective, that maybe that's the name now. Expire membership notice. Your membership has expired. You will need to renew your membership to regain access. All right. See commission history, upgrade, renew. I don't know which one to click, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Now, why I'm showing us all of this, that these are service platform. These are service platform. These are service platform. Okay? These are service-based platform, not kind of funny scheme, Ponzi scheme. No, 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 no. These are service-based platform. So now I'm creating a narrative. Now, if you join me on Daisy that time, where our community is about 5,000 people, and you are listening to me, please get connected right now. Take the link from the comment section and get started. Now, in a nutshell, iGenius was the platform that gave me access to Endotech, because to join Endotech, you need to about your equity should be minimum of 500,000 that you are trading with, and you are going to pay $125,000, I think, yearly access, and every quarter, whatever that is made, I think once whatever money that is made, when it's 3 months, 20% need to be remitted back. But they're doing very well. Now, to do this, your money is not going to be with Endotech. Neither will your money be with iGenius. Okay, so I have to quickly pick it. We have different strategy. We have ETH alpha leverage, BTC alpha leverage, crypto light BTC alpha, crypto light BTC beta, then crypto light Ethereum alpha, crypto Ethereum BTC at a point they ended BNB. Okay, let's see if they still put the BNB there. Maybe they have scrubbed it out. So they don't go to any other currencies to trade, all right, outside major currencies. Now, I think it was a time they added BNB, okay? I think they added BNB. Now, people in America, of course, the product of future leverage was not available for them, okay? Was mainly available, so they don't allow for future trading. Do you understand that? That's amazing, right? Good. Now, what I'm trying to just let you know is the fact that we have all of this strategy. Now, but at that time, you cannot, okay? You cannot, connect with them directly if it's not with this type of institution. So we have to leverage on institution to join the platform. Okay. So I have my strategy and all of that. So I just showed you now that this platform is partnering with a system that I'm already using for passive income. Now, so when I tell you anything about passive income, the question you ask yourself is that, and I always tell people, any platform you have been introduced to, for me, any platform you are telling me to participate in now, four things are involved. If my money is not in the bank, then my money should be in a broker. So broker is for stock or forex. My money then should be on exchange. Exchange is for crypto trading and all of that, buying and selling and all of that. Lastly, my money should be in non-custodial wallet. So write it down. If you are going to any business now, your money should be in these four places. Now, any service solution should be that the service can have control of access in transacting, not transferring, not withdrawing, transacting on my money. So my money, I should have control over it, but not the platform have control over my money. The platform will have control over their services. So like now you saw I want to log into iGenius. They say I do not have access again, but they have given me access to this one. I still have access on this one. So I can connect my strategy and continue to trade. And you can see that I've been member of this platform since 2019, 2020. Yes, making money just like I've been using 3Commas as a boat. Not all this kind of boat people are talking about, blowing people money and all of that, or where you cannot. All of these are through API. So the API must be connected. So any platform that you have been introduced to in this financial market, forex, crypto, stock, and all of that, your money should either be in the bank. So maybe like companies, some banks, so direct transfer or transaction. My money should be in the bank. Number two, my money, if it's not in the bank, because brokerage are recognized, licensed, and authorized to carry out buying and selling of securities. Now, in stock, buy and selling, all right, of securities in stock, equities, and all of that. While in forex, exchange of foreign exchange from one to another, buy and selling of that. Then, if it's not in broker that cover stock trading, forex trading, then it should be where? It should be in exchange, which has to do with crypto trading. And then lastly, should be in non-custodial wallet, which means I can connect with my wallet, transaction is going on. When I'm not good again, I can stop and still gain my access to my money and do what I want to do. Okay, so now this is what I'm showing to you. You can see the massive thing we did. In 2021, I made a lot of money on my Endotech. Then so we have some losses, which is not bad. Because you can imagine from 2021 to we are now 2026. Okay, calculate how many months in 2021 to 2026. All right? 2021, 22, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25, 2021 to 2025 is 5 years. So how many months in a year? 12. 12 times 5, 60 months. Now we have done 2 months in this year already. This is January 2026 and then February. We're in February now. Okay. Now, so that means 62 months. Then we have lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So out of 62 months, we have lost 11 months. Yes. Other months, we have been profitable. Okay. Okay. So then this one still went back to more numbers. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. We've lost 13 months. So out of 63 months, we lost 13 months and we have gained 50 months. Oh my goodness. Tell me something. This is, why am I saying this? Now, why am I calling us now? So a trade is still ongoing now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that is likely we're going to lose this trade. Okay, exist short at this price. Okay, sold Ethereum, sell Ethereum at this price. Okay, you see some of our trade that we concluded, and then the way we partition it. Now, all this trade, if you go to my Binance, you're going to see them. Do you get it? All this trade, you are going to see them in, I always say, be informed that the signals are displayed with a 24-hour delay. Please check if you are signing and subscribe to the strategy. All right. So I have different strategy and then I can set up strategy. Do you understand? Now, why am I telling us? So no account is connected right now. I'm just showing you now. If I want to connect, so okay, connect. So look at it. And then which exchange do we want to use? Binance Wallet, Margin, Spot, Binance US, right? Coinbase, Kraken, OKX, and all of that, right? So if it's Binance Future, for instance, all right, that's okay. You set up, so Binance Future. So which strategy do I want to connect? Ethereum Alpha, okay? If it's Ethereum Alpha, then set it up. You say agreement. All right. You can have access to this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not bragging about that, but you can have access to it. So I say continue. Look at that. So then it tell me all the conditions and all of that. See, ask me to put in my API key and secret. And then, right, API keys, instruction, apply. Then that's all. This is how we make money. Now, so that's why I say any business strategy, robot AI, and your money is not going to be your broker, your exchange, your wallet, your bank, run. Now, the good news is this. What's the good news? This platform now is collaborating with a platform I'm already using. I'm going to log into that platform now. So this platform, they are now connecting to a new update kind of broker exchange that's coming up. You can read about Bit1 exchange. Okay. So Bit1 exchange, where you're going to be doing copy trading too. Okay. A lot of things are going to be happening. So Endotech will be the one where you continue to your copy trading system and all of that. That's to connect, and then you are running. Now, it's connected to a technology called AI Tech, and look at how we're going to go. They have different strategy. I'm running on this already. Then just to click and show you, and then why I said everybody, if you were in my ecosystem, quickly let's look at something. Okay, so I want you to register now because I'm working a lot of things. Just like we set up different strategy or copy system. I was showing people about this. This is my secret copy system I'm just building up, and then the access not going to be given to everybody. It's only going to be some loyal people who, when I set up a copy, I do not have time to actually trade it, and then a lot were still following. And so relax. I'm going to give you the link. You can't find this one. It's not open. Now look at it. At least last month, I did about 24%. And this month so far, I've done about 16%. So you can see some heavy, heavy loss. I do not have enough time to trade and all of that. 22%, 22%, 20-something percent, then 13% loss and all of that. But that had been going on anyway. So this is going to be crazily phenomenal. Trust me. You can afford to get off from this space because it's going to be very big. So quickly, now I go to AI Tech. Okay, you can see the platform quickly. Now look at this. So please, if you are registered with us on a platform called Tag Market, and then I want you to do something right now. So you're going to go to your back office and log in to this AI Tech. If you don't have the AI Tech link, just click and log in with your detail on Tag Market. So your detail of Tag Market, just log in. If you don't have account, use the link and register. Then once you register, verify your account by connecting to the tag. Okay, so now you have this. Log in with this to synchronize your account with your tag detail. The exchange is coming up very soon, and massive things are going to be happening and all of that. So now there's something I want you to know. So here, I'm going to log in just to click like this. It will take me to the portal. Just the same way, this will take you to the portal because the solution activity, the solution provider is the AI Tech linking me to Endotech, and AI Tech linking me to other platform called Sonic AI and what do we call them? NeoFX. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I just try to log in to show you how this actually run. Now we connect to a strategy called CopyX. Now, I'm not going detail about this, but this is a phenomenal system that you can do, and then we'll have different strategy running, and then we'll be making passive income. I just show you an Endotech, and Endotech is now coming into this platform that is going to be massively, massively amazing. Do you get that? Now, if I show this now, that have like a follower strategy, so you can see different stuff. Let's see if any money has been made. Okay, 9 cents has been made here. Yeah, okay, no trade. Okay, no trade. Okay, 13 cents. Okay, 26 cents. Now, just to show you, I'm just trying to let you know some things happening here. Now, you get connected to this broker through the AI Tech and get connected to Endotech. I've just shown you my login detail on Endotech. I have account there, and then I'm using it to make money and all of that. So you will now have access to it and to be making money as much as possible. Do you get that? This is massive. This is the craziest thing. Now, so if you come into PBS Club, that is Plan B Express Solution, the Cash Flow Solution Club. Now you have access to so many things, okay? You have access to so many things. So this is one jump shop. We say 3-in-1 solution. Why do we call it 3-in-1 solution? Pay attention, please. Why do we call it 3-in-1 solution? Pay attention. Pay rap attention is very important. Why do we call this 3-in-1 solution? It is 3-in-1, right? Financial solution because you have access to passive income system. Okay? You have access to passive income system, number one. Number two, you have access to flexible trading with AI. So I call it auto-generated signal for yourself. Oh, yes. You are generating signal by yourself. You can't afford to miss this. This is extremely fantabulous. Oh my word. Do you get me? This is extremely fantabulous. Oh, yes. This is super, super, super amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, because why? We have solution for you. So first, you have access to passive income. I've just showed to you. And the passive income we have in 3 segments. We have 3 segments of the passive income solution you have access to with us. 3 segments. Don't play, ladies and gentlemen. You have access to 3 segments, and that's why we spread your tentacles. Of course, we're going to show you the platform. Once you come in, we'll show you the platform as you registered. And then, of course, there are links of some of the platform you need to register. And then we show you how to position your money. We have PBS Club 1 and we have PBS Club 2. Like that one I show you that is going to be connected to Endotech, and that is PBS Club 3. So PBS Club 1 is the one I showed you I'm building up on a particular broker called Capital Extend. PBS Club 2 is going to be more on a platform called WellTrade. And then link of those things are available on the chat, on the comment section, on the group. Then the World Club, PBX Club 3 is now on this AI Tech. And then that connects you both to the Forex copy and then crypto copy. So investment diversification. Listen, you are at liberty to stop running your trade. You are at liberty to exit your money without coming in again. Okay, so don't think that you're going to be under one pressure. No, 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 no. It's a very simple, straightforward kind of a thing, and then you are going to be making money, real money, not audio money. Okay, so because some will tell you we are trading, but you can't see where the trade take place. But I'm just giving you audio money, so be very careful. There's so many audio money everywhere. Now, so let's look at it. So have you seen that? Very fantastic thing. So passive income. Additional thing we give to people are this. So let me quickly go to the second segment. So additional thing we give to people on the passive income is the stock portfolio. And the same thing on if you're copying the Endotech system, the spot is portfolio building. Let me quickly show you. The spot is portfolio building, but you can only build portfolio on Bitcoin and on Ethereum, which is worth it. Before it was only building portfolio on Bitcoin. Oh, yes. So now this time around, you're building portfolio on Bitcoin. And that's why we copied the spot. I copied both spot and future that time, and then was doing massively well. All right. So now quickly look at the solution we brought to the market to help a lot of people is this. Look at this solution. One of the biggest headache of any trader, even beginner or not beginner, advanced, intermediate, even pro, is where to find appropriate entry. A pro to become a leverage, you don't stress yourself. I tell you that this scanner give you 75 to 95% accuracy. Let me not go too much. Yes, 75 to at least 90% accuracy. And if you're just using only this scanner, tell me you can be 75% profitable. Oh, yes. Your win rate will be about 75%. And anything 75%, that's excellent. Now look at Bitcoin as at yesterday, this signal was given. Now look at Ethereum as at yesterday, this signal was given. Can you see that? Look at Ethereum. This signal was given as at yesterday. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. This was given as at yesterday, and it has delivered just truly almost to finish the touchline. That is how powerful our scanners are. So we have not just one scanner, but different arrays of scanner, depending on maybe you are smart money traders or whatever type of trader you are, smart money concept and all of that. Look at it. Look at gold dumping. When I was saying it yesterday, and when the scanner took it out yesterday, does it not look foolish? But look at it now. So from there now, from here, if you look at this market on gold, from here to this point, right? This has done 1,700 pips. It's 170. 1,700 pips. Yes. If it's going to travel to where it's landmarked, if it's going to travel to where it's landmarked, that will be how much? That will be 2,080 pips. Just from yesterday, that will be 2,080 pips on gold. Oh, yes. Yesterday to now, 2,080 pips. So the same thing, Bitcoin, right? You can see the driving. So Bitcoin, we're waiting for it to touch 65,900 or back to $64,000 as it were. But just to show you how beautiful the opportunity we have. So don't play. So it's not only crypto, everything, all instrument, all right? Buy, sell, and all of that. Look at, let's say, let me use Nigerian stock, PZ, because we recommend stock for our investors. Look at PZ. We bought PZ at 40 naira. Now it's 79, almost to double our money, right? Yeah, that's we bought January 5th. Most of the stock, most of them were bought January 5th and all of that. We bought Fitsin. Of course, Fitsin was an old stock we bought, but as new people still coming, we still told them to go ahead and what? And buy Fitsin. And look at Fitsin. It's still 19 naira. And I remember most of the people that came in and listened to instruction, they bought it at 15 naira per shares. Then until when it was 20 something, finally at 43, then many bought at that 43. So now they have done massive profit. Okay. Now, so this is just to show you few, look at Presco, early 2013 or 2023, we asked people to buy at 117 naira per shares. Now look at when, okay, so I think stock is open. There's a stock that had done, we said we're supposed to be ready for buying. Let's do. That's Stanbic IBTC 30. Let's see. Oh, lovely. I told people to buy, and that's already going well. It was at, yesterday was about 1,900. That's in the buy. Yeah, 1,973 naira. Now it's already 2,300 naira. So if you are watching me live, you can buy. If you are watching me live, you can buy. It's still 2,300 naira. If you are watching me live, you can still buy. Oh, you see, This scanner, you need it. Trust me. Everybody needs this scanner. Everybody needs this scanner. So imagine 1,900 yesterday. So if you buy, you're already in profit. That's what it means, and that's what it is. This is a scanner, powerful scanner. I give people entry. We have Jais Bank. Jais Bank, we asked people to buy. That was January. And then we want the correction where it says sell here. And I think it's correcting back. Perhaps maybe a buy opportunity could come up and all of that. We have Wema Bank. So this is powerful stuff. Now, so if you are listening to me, I don't think you want to joke. As of last week, Wema Bank came down to 24 Naira. Now I was telling people, look at it. Even the scanner say what? Buy. Now it's saying sell. The sell is not confirmed because it's there's a confirmation we use anyway. So this is 28 Naira. From 24 to 28 Naira, you know how much that worth, right? And Lafarge and different, company, MTN, right? So why am I showing us all of this? Come closer. You're part of our Daisy platform. You're part of our ecosystem on Endotech. Either yes or no, please kindly join now. So there's a link on comment section. You'll see AI Tech as the link. Register on it. So there are 3 major links I'm going to send on this comment section. Make sure you register on them. 3 major links I'm going to send on that comment section. Make sure you register on them, verify your account, and wait for further information. If you're on the ecosystem, you already know what is obtainable on those links that I will send. Verify your account and ask how do you fund, and then see how you can move to the next level. If you subscribe for PBS Club, Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution Club, with $150, you have access to so many things like this scanner you've just seen, and then you can be making money, being the, what do we call it, signal provider for yourself. Look at it. Look at how Euro USD is selling like banana, right? Can you see that? Then if you look at USD JPY, will have been pumping like wildfire. Can you see that? Massive, massive, massive things. So don't joke. We have all what it takes. When this market was bouncing back, I was telling a lot of people, they were selling. I said, no, this market, because at that point, it already told us to buy. Yes, he asked us to buy, and then buy, we buy. So you can imagine from there. So our trading style is patient, right? So that means you have done 170 something to 180 pips with rest of mind. And once you break this now, this is the next resistance, and then continue to buy as it were. So I'm making this video to just have to enlighten a number of people who don't know what's happening. If you are in our ecosystem and you've not really taken stand now and take your position, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, do the needful right now, and share to your community member, your downlines, and everybody so that they key in. Then I will do more detailed video to explain to you all of these things. But it's very important. Register, verify your account. That is, verify your email, do your KYC. I will take it up from there. So you want passive income, that your money, you are in charge of your money, you are in control of your money, and then you want to trade with ease, having a scanner that's going to tell you where to enter the trade form and where to exit the trade form. Then that is, you look no further. You hear me, right? You look no what? You look no further, because this is your chance. This is your opportunity. You can't just relax. You have to wake up and take your money. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Felix. So come to our platform and let's make money together. Legitimate money, not Ponzi scheme, not robbing Peter to pay Paul, but make real money from the financial market. Thank you very much, and do have a nice time. Whoever sent you this video, please ask him how to go about the process. Bye for now.